It's a beautiful crystal. Someone very special to me gave me. And for the first time I decided to take it out with me to the trail. For this video I really gonna keep it short and sweet. I mean, anywhere in the world you are right now, get outside, of course, I say that a lot. Get outside, rediscover nature, rediscover yourself. Disconnect from the machine that's society. Oh, it's a chipmunk. That's cute. Get outside, but especially during the fall season. If you live anywhere in the world where you're experiencing fall right now, that's a magical season not to miss. The changing of the leaves, the changing of everything. It's transformational. It's beautiful and vibrant in the colors and the smells, all of it. But even more than that, you're connecting to one of the magical parts of life, the seasons, the changing of the seasons. And all the animals and all the creatures going through a stage that as humans we're in our development have become disconnected to, and understandably so, because we don't really live, even though we believe we live in a state of survival, of trying to survive. You know, we live in abundance. We're at the top of the food chain. And many of us would say we don't even need food if we can evolve long enough, far enough. One day we won't even need food. Many have proven it. But either way you look at it, our stage right now, even still needing the planet very much to survive, we're so abundant. And the threats to our lives are very minimal, except each other. And the man-made world we create, but in comparison to the other creatures, so we're removed from it. For us, fall, the seasons, you know, we don't need to hibernate. We don't go through extreme physical changes, etc., etc. So it's good to get out, if not even for the reason just to enjoy the beauty and the magic, just to get connected to it all again. So I highly recommend it, to get out any time, but especially if you're wherever you live, if there's a type of fall season, get out in it, enjoy. And if you can, if you've got them, for those wondering why I'm always wearing orange glasses, I've worn orange glasses for years and years, probably almost 9 years now. And the reason? Well, metaphorically, to see the world in rose-colored glasses. It makes everything so much more vibrant. So if you've got a pair of orange glasses, I highly recommend them. They're cheap, get them at a store. Wear them as often as you can. I'm not saying wear them as often as I do. I always wear them outside. And even way back, many moons ago, when I worked in a gray, stiff office, I actually wore them inside. Everything was gray in there. Everything. The chairs, the carpet, the cabinets, the walls, the ceiling. The outside, the inside. By design, really. Meaning there's a reason so many of these workplaces don't have color and expression in them. But we'll save that for another day. But yeah, I used to wear the rose-colored glasses. People always used to joke. And before you know it, though, as years passed, some co-workers went out and bought some. So there ended up a few of us wearing them inside. It made the day go by better. Brought a little color to our lives. But anywho, get out in nature. Enjoy.